If you don't learn how to use AI, you'll be replaced by it. Businesses are cutting jobs, automation is taking over, and people who thought their careers were safe are suddenly finding themselves outdated. But there's a way to turn this around. The same technology that's eliminating jobs is also creating brand new opportunities. Opportunities to build a business from scratch and make serious money. And I'm not talking about some far-fetched, tech-heavy startup that requires millions in funding. I'm talking about a realistic, step-by-step way to start an AI business, even if you have zero experience, and scale it up to $10,000 a month. In this video, I'll not only break down the best AI business model for beginners, but I'll also give you a clear 6-month roadmap to get your first paying clients. Step 1. Understand the opportunity. Let's start with the big picture. Right now, the economy is going through a shift unlike anything we've seen before. Every time a new disruptive technology comes along, some people get ahead and others get left behind. The AI revolution is no different. In the past, automation mainly affected factory workers and manual labor jobs. But now, AI is targeting white-collar work, jobs in customer service, marketing, content creation, finance, even medicine and law. Companies aren't hesitating to replace employees with AI tools that can do the job faster and cheaper. The middle class, which has always depended on stable, high-paying careers, is feeling the impact. But AI isn't just taking jobs, it's also creating new ones. The demand for people who understand AI, even at a basic level, is skyrocketing. Businesses need experts who can help them implement AI tools, optimize workflows, and save time and money. That's where the opportunity lies. Instead of being replaced by AI, you can be the person helping businesses use it. And the best part is that you don't need to be a programmer, a data scientist, or have any advanced technical background. You just need to know how to use AI effectively, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Step 2. Pick and understand your AI business model. There are many AI business models you can start, even as a complete beginner. Some people become AI influencers, sharing insights on social media and growing an audience around AI-related content. Others become AI consultants, offering businesses guidance on how to integrate AI into their operations. Some create AI-focused courses, teaching people how to use AI tools. And then there's the AI SaaS model, where people develop software that uses AI to solve specific problems. All of these models have potential, but there's one in particular that stands out as the best starting point: running an AI automation agency. This business model is simple at its core. You help businesses set up AI tools to streamline their operations, saving them time and money. The reason this works so well is that most business owners have no idea how to use AI properly. They hear about AI, and they know it could help them, but they don't know where to start. That's where you come in. You learn how to use AI automation tools, apply them to real-world business problems, and charge businesses for your services. This model has 3 huge advantages over the others. First, it's easier to start than most people think. You don't need to build an audience like an influencer, you don't need to create complex software, and you don't need to be an expert right away. You can start small, helping local businesses with basic AI automations, and scale from there. Second, it has a much higher earning potential. AI automation is something businesses will pay serious money for because it directly impacts their bottom line. While influencers might make money from ad revenue or sponsorships, and consultants charge for one-on-one advice, an AI automation agency offers a service that businesses are willing to pay thousands of dollars for. And third, this model opens the door to even bigger opportunities. Once you understand AI automation, you can branch into consulting, education, or even building AI-powered software. Now, if you're wondering, how do I even start something like this? Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the exact process. Step 3. Learn. You need to understand how AI automation works and which tools are the most useful. The good news is that you don't need to learn how to code. There are plenty of no-code AI tools that allow you to build automations without any programming knowledge. The key skill you do need to learn is prompt engineering. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney all rely on well-crafted prompts to generate the best results. There are three main areas to focus on: text-based AI chatbots, AI voice agents, and AI workflow automation. Chatbots, like the ones you see on websites answering customer questions, are a huge market. AI voice agents are becoming more common in customer support and sales. And workflow automation is where businesses see the most value, automating repetitive tasks like scheduling, data entry, and email responses. Learning how to use tools like Zapier, Make, and OpenAI's APIs will put you ahead of 99% of people. To learn, the best thing you can do is experiment with all of these tools and watch YouTube tutorials on how to use AI. You can also take courses to have a more structured and in-depth learning experience. Step 4. Apply what you've learned. Once you have a basic understanding of how these tools work, it's time to put your knowledge into action. This is where most people get stuck. They feel like they're not ready to start working with businesses. But the truth is, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be slightly ahead of the people you're helping. The best way to gain experience is to start offering your services for free. This step is incredibly important because it helps you build confidence, avoid beginner mistakes, and get real-world experience working with clients. This could be setting up a chatbot for their website, automating their appointment scheduling, or creating an AI-powered email assistant. While you won't be making money, one of the most valuable things you can ask for from these clients is testimonials, which is incredibly important for the next step. Step 5. Monetize. After you've gained some hands-on experience, it's time to make money. You can start charging for your services. There are two main ways to price AI automation work: hourly rates and cost-plus pricing. The key to scaling this business is focusing on one niche. Instead of offering AI automation to everyone, choose one industry: dentists, restaurants, law firms, real estate agencies, e-commerce stores, or any business that relies on repetitive tasks. The more specialized you are, the easier it is to find clients and position yourself as an expert. Once you've decided on a niche, you can create a website and social media platforms to have a business presence. Then, you can create content about your business while reaching out to potential leads via email to get paying clients. This is the point at which you want to really show off those strong testimonials you got from your initial clients, as it will make it easier for new clients to trust and buy from you. To make this process even easier, here's a 6-month roadmap to get your first paying clients. In the first 2 months, focus entirely on learning. Take free courses, watch tutorials, and experiment with AI tools. In months 3 and 4, start applying your knowledge by working with businesses for free. By months 5 and 6, you should be charging for your services, refining your offer, and bringing in consistent income. If you follow this roadmap, you'll not only gain valuable skills, but you'll also be in a position to build a highly profitable AI business. What type of AI business are you thinking of starting? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.